What's up guys, this is Gene 101. On today's video, we are going to learn how to fix the network connectivity of CentOS. Let's get started. You have to open, like administrator, like a root, this file. The path is /etc /sysconfig /network scripts, and then the final path is depends on your file system. For me, it's this one, but change it for your correct file. Then open this file, go to the last line, and replace the word no for the word yes on the line that says on boot. And now save the file, reboot your computer, and the network should work. If this video works for you, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.